So like that, for day number 2, if you want to assign for morning shift, then morning is also morning you can create and give. But the day segment you have to create. Then only it will get reflected over here. And you have to click on the multiple. Even you can also indicate whether the business event is a one-off occurrence or whether it will recur multiple times at monthly or weekly intervals. Now it is taking, right? This is the same what we have seen in pattern, right?
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Monthly basis, 2, 3, last 10 months, so that we can mention over here.
Like last three.
How many times it is going to occur, one-off occurrence, or whether it will recur multiple times at monthly or weekly intervals. Okay, we'll go with the without pattern. It is there.
I think
Mention
enter the number of
2
dates.
days interval, in the interval of 2 days. Two months, or because month you have created. So after 2 months of interval, you're again, you will be getting this. So duration hours is coming. Select the Monday and save the record. Monday, Tuesday, whatever you like.
Enter the information
Wait.
package.
Wait, we have lot other tab also. We have to complete that. Close this window. What is the meaning of capacity?
This. So the strength, like the who's like employees, how many employees will going to take those the trainings?
Yeah, mention minimum capacity and maximum capacity, optimum 20, 30, 40.
Okay.
Like suppose if you're booking a business event and booking is less than the minimum capacity. Minimum is 20
20.
attendees should be there in the event, or else the person will ask that I need to continue with this training program or I need to stop it. And maximum capacity, it will not allow more than 40. Then go to price.
International,
In
external,
this tab,
internal and
we store
external.
an internal price for internal activity allocation and external price for billing. So even we can just check the price proposal function which we have to have the system calculate a suitable attendance price, taking all the business event costs into consideration. Like whatever may be proposed price decided for the attendees or for the resources. So that system will calculate the price and that will show as a proposed price. So it is an internal training. So put some details in internal training. Put that 25,000.
25.
Yes, 25,000.
100 extra.
Yes. and 25,000. 50,000 decided for internal price and external price.
Yeah, external 50, internal is 25.
Yeah, because internal always be less only because you are hiring
Hmm.
it. You are going with all your internal stuff. You need not to go with external only if you will go for the project. You're taking,
Hmm.
you don't have at your place or in your company, then you can go ahead for business event type information.
Individual booking allowed. Internet.
This is happening when time management is off, like integration is off or on. So we can just check in the T77S0 that if the Ploggy time is blank, it means that it is without time management integration. If it is X, the value abbreviation Ploggy time is X, it is the training event management and time integration is on. So that time we can get this details in our normal way. If we tick to include in voucher, the business event type included in the business event voucher. Okay, this type can be included in the whatever the voucher you are going to distribute among the employees. No intranet. If we will click on this checkbox,
Hmm.
if you don't want a business event type to be available in the employee self-service.
No internet.
No
Okay.
intranet is that.
Hmm.
Booking option in LSO, like learning solution, there are some curricula and certain business events can be booked only
Hmm.
a part of curriculum. In training and event management, we use the option individual booking allowed. So you are
Okay.
saying that individual person can also book waiting list whenever employee are in a waiting list. Booking also
Hmm.
can be done like a train ticket. Okay.
Booking
So
only as a part of
only
curriculum.
if it is related to your curriculum, then only you can book it. If you will do the individual booking allowed, so it will not check a lot of conditions. It will directly book the training program for that employee. Right? Suppose we have given the 40 maximum capacity, right? You got it that 40 is uh, already the 40 student or employees are available,
Hmm.
and few 10 people are like you should get the waiting list of those who are waiting after 40. Okay, 10 more are there in a waiting list. If you will click on waiting list, that waiting list people you can view and you can just make it okay, then it will get. Even though if you are not mentioning a capacity 50, but if waiting list, then waiting list will get reflect and they will be in a waiting list. If anybody from the 40 will not join, then that person will get added. Like suppose one training is going on, waiting list is there 10 people, but 10 from the capacity 10% didn't join that training. Then you can go ahead with this for fulfilling the training program. You can go ahead with the waiting list employee. So that time we can click on waiting list. Go to validity. This is all about the event. What I told to you.
And for the years in months, like you told me 99.
Yeah, 0 to 999. What is that 0 to 99? So this info type lets you define the validity for a business event type. After this period, attendance of business event of this type expires. If this business event type is is a prerequisite of another business event type, then this requirement is nowhere fulfilled by an SPAD business event. Make it 0.
Years or months? Both.
Years, only years. 0 to
Okay.
99 months, it is allowed. Okay.
Hello?
It is allowed.
Mm.
If it is crossing that date, then if it is a part of any other training also, it will not be part of that training. Maybe you can, like suppose you have added this training somewhere, okay, and it is going with other training as well, okay, or any business event type is a prerequisite of another business event type, okay, like this is a creativity, problem solving, and another suppose SAP XCM. Both are
No, I
clubbing
think
with each other.
Sachin
So
wants to
that
say
time,
something.
yeah,
Hello?
Satyendra.
Ma'am, validity period means the training time period of creativity and problem solving. Like this training time period is 1 year and 2 months. Like
Yeah, it is all about the age, all about the event type age. You can consider it can be a 1 year, 2 months. You can consider it can be a 0 to 99 months. So expiry will not be happen. So it will be continue whatever the date you have mentioned. See validity what we have given 1/1/2024 to 31/12/999. The only thing is after this period, attendance of business event of this type expire. You can't use this event type anymore after this period. But we have given the default period, right? Unlimited period. So that's why I have given 0 years and 9 months. If you have a fixed year and months, you can put that 1 year and then 2 months, 1 year for 9 months. You can go ahead with that validity period. Whatever may be the business event type you have given, the validity that only you can consider in a years and months.
okay.
Go to relationship. So here a lot of allowed relationship are there, ID related objective that is held by user, or if you click on the system will show you the relationship allowed with a business event type. These are the relationship you can add on. That user you can add on. So that we have seen yesterday, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So just add on and let's move further. External person is not required because it's an internal training.
Contact
For
person is
internal
required.
training only. Yeah, you can add contact person if it is going to. તમે અહીંથી જાવ તો? હા? It is not there. You have to create.
Mm.
Same.
Ma'am, search terms is asking.
The same because you search from the same ID. Again, you came to create. It will not create. We have to create outside of this tab. Then only it will get
Okay.
reflect.
Hmm.
Contact details is not there. Contact person.
It's held by.
Further information, as I told you, we can create, change, or delete data in various info types. If you have created anything, you can map the relationship with this business event type. Okay. Save
Okay.
this record.
Okay.
Click on it. Then the user will get reply.
Creativity problem solving.
See, user object type is US. So we have completed this much only today. Whatever we have completed yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
So guys, please, you both attend the class. Otherwise, I will not, continue class without anyone is absent. I will not resume my class because we are just reaching to the end. We will start with the payroll, as I told you.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's go back. Yeah. Uh, Go to setting. Close this attendance. SAP Easy Access. Close this attendance. Yeah, there's a setting. Current setting. See, everything we can create here. Okay, this is the full training and event management. You can
Cost item, time schedule, location.
have what is the meaning of it. Go to cost items. Click on it. So whenever we are just holding any business event, so we are getting like we incur cost under various heads or items, right? It can be a projector, manuals, laptop, so whatever the resources or whatever the resources or any instructor we are hiring from outside. So that's going to be a cost for the company, right? So here we have to mention those items which we are going to take and what are the cost elements we are going to take. So what is the transaction code for this is OOKB.
OOKB.
Yeah.
Okay.
So here we have to specify which cost items are required for which business events. So it is for transfer posting of business event cost or internal activity allocation of instructors or for determining the proposal price. Okay, so for all, we have to just mention in a layman language, we have to mention the item for which company has to pay.
Like company assets.
Yes. Not company assets actually. You can take some assets from outside also. So if it is a company asset also, maintenance and everything is going to be charged. If it is not a company asset, then from outside you have to pay that, right?
Yes. Projector and
So in the cost item, we have to specify the proposed amount with currency. Let's go to new entries. This is the first step. Okay, I have created business event because that you will not get the time to understand. Okay, that's why I have just created first, but this is the first step. Then all the resources, time schedule we have to create. We have to create the location. We have to create the building address where exactly the training is going to happen. Then we have to assign everything to the business events and business side.
okay.
Let's create this, and then if we have time, then I will continue. If we don't have time, we'll continue tomorrow.
We'll continue tomorrow actually.
Okay. Can't create the cost item also. So quickly just mention manual. For manual also we have to give some price, right? We have to go to the bookstore. We will just tell them. We will call them. We'll ask them if we are just giving the diaries to the employees. Then we have to buy it, right? That will cost to us. INR, suppose is 10 rupees. Okay, 250 is fine. Then manuals in a cost item test.
Cost item text.
Manuals 1. Put 1 because manuals is there.
Okay, so start date is
So there is a cost item is relevant for transfer. If we want that it should transfer, then we'll make it yes. Okay. If yes, the cost is transferred to which controlling area and cost element we have to mention that. So make it not the third one. Make it not relevant for transfer. That will relate to finance. Then we'll uh, make it relevant for transfer. If we don't want it should transfer directly, then we can go ahead for that.
relevance for transfer.
Yes. Make it not relevant for transfer. What is the cost assignment for? So what about the if why this is coming? Cost item trainer got changed. We were creating manual, right?
Tree already exists with the
You
same
can
key.
create, just change the description and the cost item, just put 1 or something.
Ma'am, it is all
Yeah,
changed.
you have filled everything. Why it is coming training? I don't know.
Exactly, ma'am.
How come automatically it got changed?
Something.
I thought you changed it because
No.
I was seeing the down cost item. Up I didn't. Okay, close this one. Close this one.
Okay.
Close it. The manuals got created. This got created by someone else.
Manuals.
No, no. It is there,
Manually,
but someone
but
else
not.
created, not
Yes,
by you.
ma'am, but
You can
let's
create
again, ma'am,
manual one.
let's create a new one, na? Again.
Yeah, you want to create now or we'll start tomorrow?
Let's create one.
Okay.
Cost is manual, na, ma'am?
Same
Okay.
only. It is there.
Like it is all. If it is already there, then we cannot add. Like
We can add, we can change the name and we can add. So here we have to specify whether the amount is per business event, per time unit or per attendee per time unit.
ma'am, I'm changing not relevant for transfer. It is taking trainee automatically.
It should not happen actually, but it's automatically taking
It
this.
is showing an entry already exists with the same key. That's
Yeah,
why.
but we are doing the new entries. So go for diary, new entries. It is not taking manuals. I think manuals is there. Okay, go to diary,
Where's that ID?
new entries. No, new
Okay.
entries and put cost item diary. Cost item diary.
Like diary, ma'am, alphabetically. you're saying?
No. Mention diary on cost item, then cost item test also diary, then go
It's
to
okay.
propose amount.
Okay. Not relevant.
Then click on business event. See what is this? Cost assignment per attendee, per time unit, per business event. We'll go with the business event. Save the record.
Yes, ma'am, now it is visible. Showing diary.
Now create another networking. Network or net also you can. And give for net charges how much you're going to pay. Maybe 2,000 for 2 days. This is select the attendee only. Not relevant for transfer and save. It is in green means it got selected.
So
Save.
already selected. Okay.
Yeah.
That I was saved.
Okay.
Network.
So we have created this.
Okay. Understood.
When we'll go to address, ask me about wavelength. Okay, so I will explain that. Wavelength, what is the use of it?
Wavelength.
Knowledge link. Address, whenever we will create the address, that time we'll discuss.
Okay. Okay. So let's end the class here.
Yes.
Okay.
Satyendra, do you have any question?
No.
Okay.
So like ma'am, how many
Hey,
class it will take this
training one more day actually
one
it
more
will
class
take, not much.
tomorrow
Yes, one more
will be
class.
complete.
Only
Okay.
tomorrow. Then day after onwards payroll. And please, I need full attendance.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
It is for Satyendra, please come every day. It will not take much. Maybe it will be taking more 10 days to complete our course.
Okay.
And give me sometimes that notes I'm preparing, but I'm not getting these days. Actually, I'm purely busy in my work. So I will be sharing by this weekend.
Okay.
All notes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Because I need to put all the configuration, at least name, so that whenever you will just configure, you can open your notes and you can directly configure. You need not to,
Yes,
search
ma'am.
your whatever you are preparing, or if you have prepared, or you need not to go ahead. Always the recording is very difficult to listen everything and again to
Exactly.
record. Notes will help you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, guys, you can leave. Even I
Okay.
have to get ready.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. See you tomorrow. 7:30.
Yes,
Okay. Tomorrow also.
yes. Okay.
Okay.